Understanding Drive Someone Home, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, drive someone home. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can be very helpful in everyday conversations. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to brush up on your English skills, this video will break down the meaning and use of this phrase in a simple and easy to understand way. The phrase, drive someone home, is quite straightforward when taken literally. It means to take someone to their home using a vehicle, typically a car. The person driving the vehicle is responsible for ensuring the passenger arrives safely at their destination, which is their home. For example, after the party, Mike offered to drive Sarah home because it was late. I don't have my car today, so I'll need someone to drive me home after work. Interestingly, drive someone home can also be used in a figurative sense. In this context, it means to make a point very clear or to emphasize a message. It's like saying you're making sure your point arrives safely in the listener's understanding, just as you would ensure a passenger arrives safely at their home. For example, the teacher used several examples to drive home the importance of regular study. 1. Context is key. Pay attention to the context to understand whether the phrase is being used literally or figuratively. 2. Verb tense. You can change the verb tense depending on the time frame. For example, drove someone home, for the past, or will drive someone home, for the future. 3. Pronoun replacement. You can replace someone with a specific pronoun or name for clarity. For instance, drive him home, or drive Lisa home. That wraps up our discussion on the phrase, drive someone home. We hope this video has made the meaning clear and that you can now use this expression confidently in both its literal and figurative senses. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to incorporate this phrase into your daily English conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.